this is David from GSL Energy. If you're looking to get more energy from the same space, stick around. This is our 209 kilowatt hour battery cabinet, and over here is our next generation all-in-one liquid cooling cabinet. This bad boy offers an energy capacity of 418 kilowatt hour, which doubles the energy capacity while keeping the dimension relatively the same. It has a double door setup, and let's check out what we have within. Inside, we have such a compact and robust structural design. To the bottom left, we have two high voltage battery cluster control blocks that consist of the BMU, circuit breaker, and etc. Each battery cluster is responsible for 4 battery packs, and each battery pack has an energy capacity of 52.25 kilowatt hour and 166.4 watts and a nominal capacity of 314 ampere hour. Moreover, every single one of the battery packs has its own individual BCU. Above the battery cluster control box, we have the liquid cooling unit. It is responsible for the thermal management of all the battery modules within the system. Its performance in sub-zero environments is exceptional, making it well suited for extreme temperature. At the top of the cabinet, we have the built-in heat and smoke detector inside, in case of extreme thermal runaway scenarios to trigger the aerosol fire suppression module to put out fire immediately. To enhance our battery safety, all battery packs has pressure relief valve right here, designed to be explosion-proof. On the cabinet door here, we have the touchscreen with our self-developed EMS building, and below is the INO module and the dehumidifier over here. To add on, 2 80K inverters will be hanging on both sides of the battery cabinets to convert and control and manage the flow of the electrical power between the DC battery and the AC grid and the AC loads. With everything being said, this is the legitimate pick for your C&I projects.